Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Ford F-150 Lariat. This one's red. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6 with EcoBoost. This one does come with 18-inch chrome wheels. The tires are in good condition. Running boards. A beige leather interior. Dual moonroof. Coming around back, we've got a trailer hitch. Plenty of space in the back here. In back we've got a clean set of floor mats, heated rear seats, and power outlet. This one does come with a keyless entry, blind spot assist, power windows, wood trim, power seats. Hopping in, got our steering wheel controls, push start ignition, Sony sound system, navigation, a rear view backup camera with sensors, our radio, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, USB port, automatic transmission. This Ford has 44,404 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford F-150, check out feldmannimports.com.